Good morning, everyone. I took the chance because today is cloudy in the morning and it's about 7 a.m. right now to show you this part of the garden. Over here, there is not much flowering, but I love the foliage. I love the accent colors, and I think it looks amazing. It looks better than any other year. This is my geranium roseanne, and as you know, I love it. If I need to use a ground cover, that will be it for me. This one, I totally forgot the name, but I will put it in the description below. And the little pink flower in the back is a supertunia. This is I planted last year a supertunia. I cannot even talk. Bubblegum, and it actually came back this year. My basket has super bells and fun flowers, and this is oh my gosh, names escape me in the morning. I haven't even drank my coffee, but I will put it in the description below. This is a dwarf mughal pine, and it's looking rough, but I think it's gonna survive. I might move it when fall comes, because I don't think it likes that location. But I'll keep you posted on that. The one on the left was the head over heel hibiscus, and this is what I love the most in that flower bed, the Caryopteris. I got it at Home Depot 2 years ago, and it's been growing like crazy. It's about 4 feet tall. You don't see it right now, but it is. And I apologize for the noise. My neighbors just purchased a house and they are fixing something, so that's why you hear some drilling. What else? Right here you see the Señorita Rosalita Cleome, and this is my first year using Cleomes, and I love it. I always heard Julia from White Garden talk about it, and she's also from Jersey, so I look for it. I want to use it, and I think I love it. I'm in love with it. Thank God for people in Luzon that have beautiful things like that I could recommend. This one is less than can hydrangea, and I love the bloom. Look at that. It's beautiful, and it's been blooming since April. Very, very prolific, and I just love it. It's the first plant that I planted when I moved 4 years ago, and it's performing beautiful. This one is a proven winner rose, and I forgot the name, but I will add it in the description below. I actually love it, and it smells so good. This one is a meteor shower verbena, and again, my first year planting it. I don't know if it's gonna come back next year, but so far I love that flower bed. I also have a geum, the little plant there I planted in April, and it hasn't done anything, so I don't know. I'm just waiting for it.